Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Northwestern Mutual. Review my U.S. financial planning and insurance experience. Northwestern Mutual offers a range of financial planning and insurance services aimed primarily at individuals and families in the U.S. They focus on long-term financial security, offering everything from life insurance and disability income insurance to investment management and retirement planning. Key features often include personalized financial plans, access to financial advisors, and a suite of digital tools. Their website provides details on their various services and resources. Northwestern Mutual emphasizes a comprehensive approach to financial planning, aiming to build long-term relationships with clients. They often highlight the expertise of their financial advisors and the stability of the company. While they don't typically advertise specific pricing due to the personalized nature of their services, they emphasize a focus on tailored solutions designed to meet individual needs. You can typically find a local advisor or request a consultation through their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Northwestern Mutual for financial planning and insurance. Getting started was straightforward. I scheduled a consultation through their website and was quickly connected with a local advisor. The initial meeting involved a detailed discussion of my financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance. Navigating their online portal was also quite easy. I could view my policies, investment performance, and other important documents in one place. The interface was clean and well organized. One feature I particularly appreciated was the goal tracker, which allowed me to visually monitor my progress toward specific financial milestones, like saving for a down payment or retirement. Performance-wise, my investments have generally aligned with the projected returns discussed with my advisor. I had a quick question regarding beneficiary changes on one of my policies, and their customer support responded within a day via email with clear instructions. I was really impressed by how proactive my advisor was in communicating market changes and suggesting adjustments to my portfolio. The standout feature for me was definitely the personalized financial plan, which provided a clear roadmap for achieving my long-term goals. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app specifically for investment management, although they do have a general app for policy access. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with Northwestern Mutual. While financial planning is a complex and ongoing process, I feel confident in their expertise and approach. That's my overview of Northwestern Mutual. Review my U.S. financial planning and insurance experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.